Have you ever tried buying data for your mobile phone and they will show you expensive prices like this? Well, if you have been in my shoes, then I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how you can buy cheap data as low as 200 naira for your mobile phone, and it works for all networks here in Nigeria. Now follow me to my screen where I'll show you the step-by-step process and the best method on how you can buy this data for your phone and for your business.
So guys, I'm on my screen and the first thing that you need to do is to download the Android application that allows us to buy this mobile data for cheap on our mobile phone. So I'm going to go to my Play Store and then we're going to search for the application called Recharge App Instant Top Up. So here's it. I've already searched for it before and I'm going to click on this face, Recharge App Instant Top Up. So here is the application and I'm going to click on it. So if you have not installed yours, you are going to see an install button over here, but I have installed mine. So I'm going to click on open. So I've opened the application and a notification is going to pop up. If you have read the notification and you understand it, you just need to click on the understood button over here. And right now, I'm going to click on the open button. Okay, so we are on our login page on the Recharge app platform, and if you have an account on the Recharge app, all you just need to do is provide your email and then your password and you'll be able to log in. But for those who does not have an account, you need to click on register now. Click on register now and then a page will pop up, and then what you need to do is to provide your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number, and then create an account for this application. If you have someone who referred you, you can provide the referral code over here and then you click on register. So I already have my account, so I'm just going to register immediately. So right now we are on the Recharge app dashboard, and if you are new to the application, I recommend that you go through the application and check out the features and everything. And if you don't understand some things, you can check out their blog and guide page by clicking on this hamburger menu over here. If you click on this menu, and then the menu will pop out, and then you can check out the our blog and guides page over here, and you can also check out the FAQs, like the FAQ, frequently asked questions. I recommend this our blog and guide because they have explained everything. So once you have clicked on the our blog and guide, you will take it to this page where you will see content and articles that will teach you and educate you on how to use the Recharge app platform. So for now, I'm just going to show you how you can buy mobile data. So to buy mobile data, the first thing you need to do is to click on the mobile data under our service over here. You click on buy now. So a page will pop up where you'll be asked to choose your service. So I'm going to click on this choose service over here. And then if I wanted to buy 9 mobile data now, I'll just click on 9 mobile over here. And then you can see the prices for 9 mobile. As you can see, 1 gig here is 182 naira, which is very cheap. So for now, I'm not going to buy 9 mobile. I'm going to buy MTN, which is MTN SME. So we have different varieties of data. We have the cheap data and then the traditional mobile data. Anyone you want is up to you. Then I'll click on MTN SME data and I'm going to select my data plan. And here 1 gig is 236 naira. I'll select 1 gig for this tutorial. I'm going to provide my phone number, and here is the cost for the 1 gig, and then I will input my pin. So if you have input your pin, you need to click on the buy now button. So once you click on it, you see a pop-up that will ask you, are you sure if you want to buy data for this number? So confirm your number, and then if it's correct, you click on OK. And here is the notification that it has been successful. So I'm going to click on OK over here. Okay, and you can see the message that shows that you have gotten the data. Here is the message that shows that I have bought the MTN data. As you can see, it's instant. So if this video was helpful to you, you can just click the like button and also subscribe to our channel so you can get quality videos like this every week. So I'll see you in my next video.